Situated in the attractive village of Apethorpe, with its historic Grade 1 palace, handy for Oundle, Stamford and Peterborough with its mainline trains to London, stone-built, mid-Victorian Laundry Cottage offers comfortable and versatile living space over 2 floors, well-maintained and improved with many double-glazed timber windows, while retaining a good degree of character and many original features. Step in through the large oak front door and through the spacious hall with its gallery above. The formal living room is a superb size, with its sanded parquet floor, the light of 3 good-sized windows overlooking the front, and adequate space for formal dining, as well as the generous sitting area, warmed by the attractive wood-burning stove set within a low inglenook, with easy access to the garden through the attractive French doors. Moving on, there's a useful study and the very spacious kitchen, fitted with a range of bespoke cupboards, with hardwood work surfaces and drainer with inset Belfast sink, a fitted dresser, original cupboards, plumbing and concealed space for a dishwasher, and the benefit of a controllable double oven electric Aga, creating a lovely warmth to the room, adding to its traditional homely feel, with its quarry-tiled floor continuing to the rear with access to the driveway and a useful utility room. To the front of the house, the dual-aspect snug or family room boasts a stripped pine floor, an open fire with slate hearth and a view over the front garden. Climbing the stairs to the first floor and the galleried landing with storeroom, there are 4 double bedrooms, 3 with views over the front garden, each with built-in wardrobes, and 2 with original Victorian fireplaces, while the very spacious master bedroom suite offers plenty of character, with exposed roof timbers, a freestanding roll-top bath and a dressing area with built-in wardrobes, as well as an ensuite shower room and WC, while the beautifully appointed family bathroom offers a bath, WC, a deep wash basin and traditional tiling. Outside to the rear, steps climb from a useful timber-decked terrace area to a path spanning the back of the house, overlooking a lawn with mature borders. To the side there's off-road parking for 3 vehicles and a garage, while to the front, a lawned and attractively planted garden sits behind a picket fence, with a gated gravel path to the steps, paved terrace and main door. For further details of this property or to arrange a viewing, please visit or contact Woodford & Co. in Oundle on 01832 274 732.